Sometimes you decide to delete a post from your account, but after a while you miss that post again. By using Instagram Archive, you can temporarily remove a photo and then put it back on your profile later if you change your mind. You can archive a post you have shared to hide it from your profile and make it so your followers and other people on Instagram can't see it. When you archive a post, it keeps all its likes and comments. Today, I'll show you how to archive a post on Instagram. First, open your Instagram app and tap your profile picture in the bottom right to go to your profile. Tap the post you would like to archive. Tap the three-line menu in the top right and simply select Archive. That's it. Now you can see that your post has been archived and not shown in your feed. However, you can view your archived Instagram post whenever you want in the Archive section. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful and you were able to archive your posts. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.